Do you know that our liver can convert literally into a scar just because of alcohol? So hello everyone, this is Shumi. Today let's talk about liver and what happens to our liver because of alcohol. So look, our liver acts like a detox factory, but alcohol messes it up completely. So when a person consumes alcohol, that alcohol needs to be broken down and this function is given to the liver. Now when liver breaks down the alcohol, it releases a coenzyme named NADH. Now this NADH is usually used in the breakdown of fats, but in some cases when the consumption of alcohol is very high, it leads to higher levels of NADH, which results in no breakdown of fats. Now because there is no breakdown of fats, then the liver has to store that fat, which leads to a very common condition known as fatty liver. During fatty liver looks like this, yellowish in color. Now this condition is completely reversible, but if the person doesn't stop over here, then he or she leads to the second stage, that is alcoholic hepatitis. During this stage, the cells of the liver inflame and burn themselves and dies. This is what actually happens. The cells burn and die. Because of this, the person has to face conditions like jaundice, fever, pain, and yellowness of eyes. Now, even this stage is partially reversible. So, if a person stops over here, he or she can again get a healthy liver after some time. But if the person doesn't stop, then it leads to the third stage, that is cirrhosis. This stage, the liver starts appearing as a scar, because of which blood cannot enter the liver, which causes pressure in the back, which leads to a condition known as portal hypertension. And you won't believe that portal hypertension leads to formation of fluid inside our belly and bursting of veins. Now, if this condition is early diagnosed, then there are 80% chances that the person can survive for around 10 years. But in case of late diagnosis, there are only 50% chances that the person can survive for max to max 5 years. Further, it causes liver failure, which leads to liver transplantation because the liver completely stops working over here. Liver failure is caused due to liver cancer, in which the liver starts appearing completely black. So the next time you drink alcohol, do remember that your liver is working overtime. So save it while you can. Thank you everyone. Do follow for more such content.